Hello everyone. Are you wondering what Aliagender means? Let's explore. Aliagender is a non-binary gender identity that is not male or female. This term describes someone who experiences gender in a way that is outside the traditional binary and is not easily classified as either male or female. Aliagender individuals might feel that their gender is something different or other, not fitting into the typical categories of gender. This identity is part of the broader non-binary spectrum, offering another way to articulate a gender experience that defies conventional labels. In essence, being Aliagender is about recognizing and embracing a gender identity that is distinct from both male and female, existing outside the traditional gender framework. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.